Hello, I am Assistant Professor Abhish Vignesh, Department of Visual Communication. I am going to talk about 5 key elements of communication. Communication is a process. It is called as a process because it consists of a series of steps. It is not an independent event. The steps in the process are emergence of ideas, placing them in some logical sequence and transmitting them through some media received by someone at the other end, and the reaction of that person after receiving information or message, and again reversing the journey. Communication is thus called a process. Communication involves transmitting information and understanding. It means that the information should not only be transmitted and received but also understood. Understanding of message by the receiver was the main objective of communication. Information sender and receiver may be human or non-human objects. The concept of communication is quite broader. It is wider field of human interchange of facts and opinions, and not the media like telephone, telex, telegraph, radio and others. But nowadays machines like computer and softwares are also communicating. Communication requires some channel or medium. Communication, that is, transmission, can be made orally or in writing. Thus, the words and paper assumes the nature of transmission media. But these are not the only mediums of communication. Even a silence can communicate some message. Radios, televisions, telexes, telephones, letters, etc. are general media of communication. Apart from this, attitudes, behaviors, actions, gestures, and silence are also effective mediums of communications. Communication can be made directly, consciously, or unconsciously. Communication has three interlocking circuits. The circuits are upwards, downwards, and intrascalar. Upwards communication. Upward circuit is aimed at knowing the idea, commands, actions, reactions, attitudes, reports, complaints, and grievances from the lower level. Such a circuit flows upwards. Downwards communication. Downward circuit is meant for transmitting flow of instructions, directions, clarifications, interpretations of rules, orders, policies, and procedures to lower level who has to implement them. Such a circuit has a downward flow. Intrascalar communication. Intrascalar or cross contact circuit is for exchange of information between departmental heads, members, executives, or between workers all of equal rank. Thank you.